In front of me is KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, then find and select More, go to My Apps and Games, and here under Updates you will find all applications that can be updated. So as you can see, we've got plenty of them. You can either update one particular application. So for example, if you would like to update Messages only, just click on Update right next to its icon. It will be done automatically, so at first the latest version will be downloaded and then it will be installed. Obviously, meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, so you can start the browser, watch some movie, call your friend, play some game, just do whatever you want to. You can also switch off your phone, that's also not a problem. And then if you unlock it and go to Play Store again, you'll be able to see if it has been already done. But as you can see, we still have to wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now, if you'll scroll down, you will find it under Recently Updated. And also, you can update all apps at once. To do it, just click on Update All. And it will be done. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.